This is a simple example of how to create a simulation with KMxAuthor. In this example, we created 3 slides that have a conveyor belt in a stopped state, moving in a forward state, and moving in a reverse state. Each one of the slides has a control panel button that allows you to go forward, stop, and reverse with the conveyor. In this example, I've disabled all of the navigation at the top because I want the student to use the buttons in the example in order to create the effect and make it as real as possible for operation of the conveyor. Now, in order to get each of these buttons to do what we want it to do, I use the Hotspot Editor, which you highlight the image and then you control click to bring that up. And the image itself has 3 hotspots. One hotspot at the top that goes to slide 2, which is the conveyor moving forward. One hotspot that goes to slide number 3 that has the conveyor going backwards, reverse, and then one hotspot that goes to the stop state, this red one here, that goes to the stop state, which is slide number 1. So that's all that had to be done to get the conveyor buttons to work. And you just add your hotspots and then tell the system where you want the hotspot to go to when the user clicks on it, and have the hotspot cover the area of the button that you want to be the hotspot in your animation. That's pretty much all you have to do with that. Then you hit update to save your work, and done. Okay, so that's how this control was created. The files that were needed were obviously an image of the control, an image of the conveyor stopped, the video of it going forward, and the video of it going back. So let me just show you those 3 files real quick. So these are our 3 conveyor files, forward, reverse, and stop. And it's just a video of a conveyor going up that I reversed and also took a screen capture of in the stop mode. Now, when I took the screen capture, I got the Windows controls at the bottom, which I needed to crop out. So let's go back over to the KMX Editor interface, and on slide number 1, which is the stop state of the conveyor, if I click on that image, you'll see there's a cropped portion here that's been removed. Let me just bring that up in the Hotspot Editor so you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to show the cropping tool just so you can kind of see the cropped out area. So there's the cropped out area that I want to get rid of. But if I use the cropping tool, I can just crop that out of the image very quickly and easily inside the editor, so I don't have to go get a Windows editor or some image editor to get it done. Crop the picture, hit update, and then done. Okay, so now the image is cropped. So that's how you crop an image. Now, as far as the controls, I could have disabled the navigation on a slide-by-slide basis by using this display navigation option here. But since I wanted all of the slides to require the user to use the controls, I just disabled the navigation universally. Okay, so that's our animation. That's basically all that needs to happen to create a simple simulation. Use the save option to save it, and then when that's completed, you can go over and preview the animation, so you can get an idea, of how it's going to look. Okay, so this is our new animation. I'm currently in the stop state. The directions here is simple simulation example. Use the buttons below to operate the conveyor. So I'm going to start the conveyor up forward. Okay, now it's moving in a forward direction. I'm going to go ahead and reverse the conveyor. And now you can see the conveyor is in a reverse direction. I can hit the stop button and stop the conveyor. I can reverse it some more. I can make it go forward some more. You get the idea. Fairly simple to create an animation that allows you to operate and control equipment. So that's the end of this short tutorial. We're going to be doing quite a few of these just to make it easy for people to start using and exploring the capabilities of KMxAuthor. So thank you, and stand by for our next tutorial coming soon.